Hello friends, myself Divyanshu Sharma and I am a second year student of MIT Law University, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. And in present, I am working with the Lexis and Company as a legal intern. And my today's topic is sources of Muslim law. And Muslim law is a religion law that applies to the people who become from Muslim by birth or preaching. However, Islamic law is based on a person's duties or obligation, not his rights. The word Islam means total surrender to God, and the followers, the Muslim, means people who surrenders to God. Muslim personal law is based on Islam. Islam originated in Arabia. Arabia was transplanted to India from there. In Arabia, the Prophet Hazrat Muhammad was also an Arab who spread Islam and laid the foundation of Islamic legal system and who spread the and laid the foundation of Sharia law Sharia law and the main foundation of the Islamic legal system was nurtured and developed by Arab jurists, and the true source of Islamic jurisprudence was found in Islamic Arab customs and etiquette before the 7th century AD. Islamic law is a branch of Muslim theology. It provides a practical expression of faith. It specifies how a Muslim should treat God and other people. The Muslim law is a commandant according to the Prophet. The Muslim law is the commandant of Allah and the sovereign of the Muslim country, and is their responsibility to obey it. Islam means peace through obedience and obedience to the will and commandments of God, and those who receive the message of the peace through obedience to God. Muslim law. Muslim law is derived from various primary and secondary sources. They are classified as the primary source Sunnah or Ahadi, Quran, Ijma, Qiyas. Secondary source judicial discussion, custom, legislation, fair and God, good conscience, and good conscience. It is original source of principle of Muslim law. So we will study it as a topic form, not in so much details, because the material provided with it is so much lengthy. So, according to the video limit and all the things, we will study the topic only and some related material to them through the primary and secondary source. That's the primary source. It is the original source of Muslim law. It is the name of the Muslim holy book which contains the direct revelation to of Allah through the Prophet. The verses in the Quran are not systematically arranged, but they are scattered throughout the text. It contains the basic principle that regulate the human life. Most of the Quran involves the theological and moral reflection. The word now the second is Sunnah. The Sunnah literally means the traveled road. That indicates some practice and precedence of the Prophet. Everything the Prophet said or did not mention God regarded as a tradition. It is the second source of Muslim law. In the words of the Prophet, tradition is an order from Allah. When Allah word cannot provide authority for the established rule of law, the Prophet words are regarded as authority because people believe even his words are inspired by Allah. So Sunnah or tradition include Sunnah fail. Sunnah qual means spoken, Sunnah fail means behavior, Sunnatul Tahrir means silence, Ijma means consensus. So Ijma, we will study about the Ijma of companions. The common opinion of the companions of the Prophet is considered the most authoritative and cannot be rejected or modified. Ijma and jurist. Ijma means we can say that a group of peoples which agree on a same thing. In a same sense, we can say it's as a ijma of that time. It's similar to ijma, but for our understanding, it's good to understand it by this example. Once a valid ijma is constituted, it is considered to the equivalent to the Quranic verse that it is equally binding on the people. Without ijma, these Sharia rules would become vague and incomplete. Its principle correct the interpretation of the Quran and Sunnah. Qiyas, analog inference. Qiyas is derived from the word hiyakish, which means to fight together. Uh, Thank you, friends. I hope that you liked my video. And if you have any query related to the topic, please let me know in the comment section. I will reply it, and I will figure out your problems. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Subscribe the channel, not mine. And subscribe the channel, art channel, Lexis and Lex Click, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you and have a nice day.